Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting a small latex balloon and inflating it just enough to lift the neck. You shouldn't stretch it fully. Once inflated, place it gently in front of your mouth and make a tight, controlled exhale into the opening. You'll want to shape your lips differently, round for higher tones, flatten for lower tones, while keeping your tongue low. Make sure to keep breath steady. This creates the vibrating air column that alters resonance and gives you an immediate shifted voice. Now refine how you speak through the balloon. Speak short phrases while changing lip tension and mouth cavity shape to move pitch and timbre. Once done, vary loudness. Soft speech emphasizes nasal resonance, louder pushes chest resonance, and notice how the balloon responds. Make sure to coordinate breath timing with consonants so clarity stays intact. Stop voicing on plosives briefly to avoid popping. Keep testing vowel shapes, e, ah, oo. To finish, gradually reduce airflow and remove the balloon while exhaling to avoid snaps, then deflate and store or discard safely. If the voice effect fades, reinflate slightly and repeat the lip/tongue adjustments until resonance returns. Make sure to lower pressure to prevent popping. If you hear cracks, stop and vent a bit of air. Pops come from overpressurization or abrupt consonants. If you get lightheaded, take a break and breathe ambient air. Hydration and short rests restore normal control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.